Hi, my name is Gerd Speer, and I will be your instructor for this math course. And I'm looking forward to working with you to help you reach another milestone in your academic career. Get ready mentally for this course. Some of you are quite confident about your math ability, others are not so sure, and still others are really afraid of math. They have some real math anxiety. And that's understandable because many people had a negative experience with math in the past. Based on 20 years of teaching math, I found that most people just didn't get it. And then the unfortunate conclusion was that they felt they were not smart enough. Nothing could be further from the truth. There are typically two reasons why this happened. You didn't do the work, or you didn't understand the math, or both. Now, the first issue is work ethic. If this is a problem for you, I would suggest you fix it. You are in charge of you. All I know is that you have the necessary IQ to learn the subject matter. Then why is it so hard? Because most people never learned their math vocabulary. It is the same reason why most people couldn't understand me if I started speaking in German. It is not a matter of your IQ, but you have to know your vocabulary. And to speak the language, just about any language, you also need to know the associated grammar and syntax and a few other things. Now, you know that math is a language. You heard that before. But what it really means is that number one, you have to know your vocabulary, your math vocabulary, and you have to know the rules. In other words, grammar. Now, if you do not develop these two areas, here's what will happen. Number one, you do not understand and follow what is being explained to you, and you do not understand what you're reading, and you cannot think in mathematical terms. This is actually your biggest problem because you don't even know you have it. So here's what you need to do. Number one, learn your math vocabulary the same way you would learn the vocabulary of any other language. Repetition is the key. You can use physical flashcards or make electronic ones and put them on your phone, or make audio flashcards by making short audio recordings on your phone and playing them back when you're driving, or have them play in the background. Now, learning the rules is also important. Yes, there are many, but the same is true for getting a driver's license. You must be able to memorize the answers to about 100 questions, and most people can do this. Why? Because they want to or need to earn a living and to have fun. So here's another reason, another point you want to think about, and that is you will learn math at your inconvenience. It would take more time than you think. So how can you make more time? Well, the short answer is you can't. But what you can do is reprioritize your activities and at least temporarily stop some that are not critical to your success in this course. Social media take up many hours of people's time, and there's no payback for it. If I were you, I would get off all social media until the course is over. Make a post and let everyone know you're off the grid for the next 2 or 3 months. And watching television falls in the same category. There's no return on the time that you're investing in TV. Otherwise, there would be many more rich people. And by the way, most successful people and rich people I know do not watch TV because they know it's a waste of time. Now, understand my goal is not to run your life. Instead, I'm committed to your success in this course. But you must do your part. That will probably mean many hours of studying until you get it. All of us worked hard to gain understanding and knowledge, and in the long run, wisdom. So here's Gerd's rule of 20. If you do not understand a concept, do 20 problems that involve the concept. If you still don't get it, do another 20. Almost 100% of the people get it after 3 rounds of 20. I know that you have perhaps a specific set of circumstances which may make it difficult for you to reach your goals, and I really wish I could help you with these circumstances. But as I say in Denmark, you bake with the flour you have. Be sure to read the excerpt from the book Grit by Angela Duckworth, which I will post for you, and think about what it means to you. I know you have what it takes, so let's go to work.